How to remove a watermark that just won't go away. Hello guys, so let us begin. First open up your Word document and this is what your watermark is gonna look like. And initially what you might want to do, what comes in your mind first is going to the designs panel and going to the watermark section and using the remove watermark option. Now try this before you try anything else and check if it removes the watermark. If it does, good for you. If it does not, what you'll then need to do is go back here. Now, as you can see, you cannot really move this watermark around, but there is a trick. What you need to do is go to the headers section right above here, double tap on it, and now you're on the header. Now, as you can see, the cursor is not in this body section. Now, after you move this cursor above your, what you call it, watermark, you will see that you can move it around now. Now you can move it around wherever you want. Now after you have this movable watermark, just hit your backspace after you've selected it. As you can see, you will see this dots on the sides of watermark. After you've selected it, just hit backspace and there it is, it's gone. That is basically how you remove a watermark that just won't go away, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye, take care.